Hi guys, how are you today? I hope that every one of you is healthy and happy in your own place. My name is Bella and today I'm going to teach you about WH questions. Shall we start now? Okay, here are things that we are going to talk about today. First, I'm going to talk about the definition and then we would like to learn about WH question. And the last thing that we are going to learn is about WH questions structures. So before I start the definition, is there any of you who already get the point about the WH question? So question words are used to ask about specific qualities, times, places, people, and so on. And WH questions consist of what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. Let's move to the WH question rules. First, what? What is used to ask about things. For example, what is your name? And then we have where. When is used to ask about time. For example, when do you go to work? And third, we have which. Which is used to ask about the choices. For example, which color do you want? And the fourth part is why. Why is used to ask about reasons or causes. For example, why do you like pizza? The fifth part of WH question is where. Where is used to ask about the places. For example, where is Africa? Can you point where is Africa here? Now let's talk about who, whom, and whose. What is the difference between those three things? Let's see. Who is used to ask about people. For example, who is that? That is Nancy. And what about whom? Whom is used to ask about people or object of the verb. For example, whom did you meet? I met the manager. And the last part is whose. Whose is used to ask about the possession. For example, whose is this book? It is Alan's. And then let's talk about the meaning of WH question groups. It is how. How is used to ask about manner or process. For example, how do you spell your name? Alright, I hope that everyone get my point here. And then let's talk about WH question structures. There are two WH question structures that we can use here. First, with two. The structures are WH question plus do or does plus subject and then followed by verb. For example, where do you work? And then when does he wake up? And second structures use with be. The structures are WH question, be plus subject. For example, where are you from? Who is that man? And when is your class? And that's all of the material for today. So, are you ready for the questions? Okay, here I'm going to give you question by word order. I hope that you can predict what is the good sentence of this sentence. First, all you are how. I hope that you spell the good order of this sentence. The answer is, how old are you? Okay, let's take a look to the next questions. Is today what day? What do you think? Right, what day is today? And the third question is, are you where from? What do you think? Alright, it is where are you from? Okay, that's all for today's activity. I hope that you get my point here. And there are some tasks that I have provided in the website. I hope that you can finish them. And don't forget to stay healthy and happy in your own place. Bye!